Hi and welcome to Iconic Rides. Today we are here with Doc Wob at the VMXDN races here at Foxhill. Rob, we're here. We finally made it to the big day. Tell me what's going on and how your last few days have been.
Well, this is VMXDN Foxhill 25 near Swindon. It's the biggest race on the British calendar, strangely enough. It's an old man's race, it's a vet's race, but for some reason people are bought into it, and so we're lucky enough to have the biggest event and the most populated, and we've got some really good sponsors like high street brands like the Range and Yamaha are major sponsors, so it's all right. I've been here since Tuesday. The weather's playing ball. Last year it didn't, it was wet last year, and the riders have all been fun and games till this morning.
Oh right, why this morning? What's
then they
happened?
get serious.
Oh yeah, it's proper game faces
and all
on
of a sudden it changes, yeah. They're all laughing and jokey till practice, and then they all get a bit serious then. But it's good, but the advantage that the home guys have got is they've been riding these bikes for weeks and weeks and weeks.
Yes.
My guys didn't see them till Thursday.
Of course, I remember you saying in the previous episode.
So we've got a real short time frame to make them comfortable, so they're still making changes now, which you shouldn't do really. But
really? And how long is it until the race?
With the fourth race, so yeah, about 20 minutes probably.
So you've got 20 minutes left and you're still making little adjustments?
Oh yeah, but that's what we do. It's no big deal.
You're used to it now.
Yeah.
So it's such a huge venue. I was not expecting this. How many people are here today?
18, 20,000. I haven't seen the gate numbers, but it's up there. Yeah, that's how many we allow for toilets and security and bins and all that.
Absolutely, that is fascinating. How does that make you feel as a person, knowing that you put this together through something of passion of yours?
We just literally had an idea, and it was like, right, we need to do this. And me and Dave went to the club who got the lease on the land, and we said, look, we think we can make a successful race. Are you in for it? So we had a deal with them, and we're all involved in it. And so they put the race on. They do all the track work.
Yeah.
Our job is to create the interest. We promote it. We create the interest. We build the bikes. We get the big names involved. And that's what gets the people through the door.
Well, you've certainly done such a good job. So there's 8 riders today. Who are some of the names of them?
We've got Tommy Searle on his bike around the corner. Then we've got Ben Townley, former world champion, AMA champion. We've got Phil Nicoletti, who last week won the Canadian National Championship. We've got Ryan Sipes, who's a really well accomplished guy from Kentucky in America.
Yeah.
And we've got Alessio Chiodi, who's a 3-time world champion, Italian guy.
Oh my God. So everyone's actually come from all over the world.
Yeah, all over the world,
Yeah,
And there's spectators from all over the place as well.
Yeah,
and it's
amazing.
good. I mean, it's good that people have bought into, because like this venue was really popular in the 90s.
Okay.
And so there's a lot of guys in their 40s who came here and had a good time.
Yeah.
And then they're bringing the family back.
That's lovely.
To have a good time. So it's really took off.
That's so nice. And I know you said there's kind of a few veterans riding today. What's the normal age range, would you say, for riders?
Normal dirt bikes, there's kids 5 years old, and most professional guys don't make it to 30. Right,
okay.
So mid-20s, 27, 28, usually the injuries are catching up with them at that point. But here, like for our classes, we have to have 2 guys over 30 and 1 over 40.
Right, okay.
For the main race. So, but what we do, we have a national team race, which is all the guys who ride the British Championships, and we just make them. The bikes have to be in that class older than 2002.
Okay.
In this sport, if you're any good, you have 3 or 4 bikes a year. You wear them out.
Yeah.
An average guy will have a new bike every year. Well, these are 22 years old, 25 years old.
Yeah. So they're doing very well.
They're beat up. They've been literally field bikes, like junk, for 20 of them years.
Yeah.
So we've got to bring them back. And when you see what the guys are doing on them, you can have sleepless nights over it.
I mean, I've saw the first race, and the height that they go
They're
is
not the fast
phenomenal.
Guys. You wait till you see the fast guys. That's not the fast class.
Really?
Oh yeah.
It's terrifying.
Yeah, wait till you see the fast guys. It terrifies me.
I can imagine, but it must make you feel so proud knowing that you built that, you made that happen for that bike and that rider.
It is weird, yeah. It's strange. Just from our little workshop in Worcester.
Little, was a bit of an understatement there. But no, you've done such a good job. You should be so proud of yourself. So thank you so much for letting us here.
Oh, thanks for coming and helping us out.
No,
just help yourself to anything you want.
Thank you very much. And we can't wait to watch the race. Thank you.
No, Brad doesn't take any, you know what.
He doesn't.
He will not give a flying F who he races with. Brad just gets stuck in.
Luke, thank you so much for your time. Tell me, where are we and what are you doing here?
Well, we're right outside the Crescent Yamaha area at the Veterans Motocross Destinations. I work for Yamaha Racing. I'm the press officer for the Yamaha Racing Heritage Club. And we were set up in 2021 to safeguard, celebrate and protect Yamaha's rich racing legacy.
Wow.
And it's all about two-strokes. And as you can hear the ring ding ding, it's one of the most passionate events in the world. And we've been really lucky to be coming here since we were set up for the last 4 years.
Yeah.
And as you can see behind us, this year is Yamaha's 70th anniversary.
Wow.
And it's a big deal. So we have all the bikes in the red and white livery, which was based on the 1998 YZ250.
Okay.
So it was the first one with that iconic colour scheme. So yeah, it's incredible. We've even got the replicas of the Doc Wob 2002 YZ250s, which are around the corner and which we're racing. We've got some amazing riders from Phil Nicoletti, Alessio Chico Chiodi, and it's just an incredible event.
It is, it really is. So why Doc Wob then?
Well, our relationship with Doc Wob started through Crescent Yamaha. Rob himself is a huge legend in the world of motocross, and Crescent Yamaha we're involved with in World Superbike. So there's been a bit of a crossover, and we were really delighted when Rob asked us to come along to an event like this, and Paul Denning from Crescent Yamaha helped create that relationship. And as you can see, though, it's a complete no-brainer. It's an amazing event, and you see all the different generations of people here at the VMXDN. And this is what's great for us, because it's not just about people who remember the original two-stroke race bikes. It's about getting the young children excited about these machines and the history of Yamaha.
Yeah, the future of the next generation, of course. And you've just done a big reveal. Tell me what that big reveal was earlier in the week.
Well, yeah, we're really, really pleased to do it here, actually. It was the first time ever that the 2026 YZ450F was unveiled in the flesh, and again, with the red and white 70th anniversary edition livery. And it was wonderful to do it here with so many passionate fans. And yeah, it's going to be on display all weekend, so people can check it out and see it for the first time here in the UK.
Fantastic. No, it's a beautiful model, absolutely. So thank you so much. I'm going to check them all out. Thank you.
Cheers.
The laps are clicking down. Porcel has dropped Philipparts a little bit. There's nothing being held back here. We'll go for it right to the end. They've been all over him. The French and the Italian have thrown everything at the Brit, but he's still at the front. The checkered flag is ready, and Anderson takes the win. What a race.
For anyone who doesn't know, tell me who you are and what you are doing here today.
I'm not quite sure what I'm doing here today, but my name's Phil Nicoletti. Doc Wob's brought me over to race the Vet World Championship here, Team USA, and I'm enjoying it. We just got done with the first moto, ended up 6th. I wasn't 3rd, kind of went a little bit backwards, but that's all right. We're doing some bike changes right now. And
yeah, what are they doing to the bike then? What needs to be done?
Oh, it's not my bike, so we're just riding it what it is, and suspension's a little bit soft, so we'll go a little stiffer with suspension, make some, tweaks and stuff for the next race, and hopefully start 3rd and stay 3rd and not go backwards. So that's the plan. Yeah, I hope so.
So is this your first time racing a Doc Wob bike?
Correct. Yeah. So we, my girlfriend and I, we came over on Tuesday. We landed in London, did the whole sightseeing thing, and now checking this event out. It's badass. It's unreal. The amount of people here and just the vibe is amazing. So I'm stoked to be here.
Oh, it's such a good vibe. So where have you come from then?
I live in Charlotte, North Carolina, and then I drove home to New York and flew out of New York to come here. Wow. So it's not a bad flight, 6 hours, so it's fine. So used to traveling and whatnot, but it's been a pleasure. And underneath the Doc Wob tent, I'm kind of spoiled at the moment. So it's like a dream.
What makes Doc Wob so special to you?
He's kind of like a mad scientist, He's like Albert Einstein a little bit with the two-stroke stuff. Yeah. So it's pretty cool. Like my era, I started on two strokes, and when I got onto big bikes, I got off of two strokes back in 2005, 2006. So it's all 4 strokes now, but it's nice to go back and relearn carburetors and stuff like that, and go through jetting or whatever. So it makes a big difference. But again, it's still learning. I'm quite old, I feel, but at 36 still.
You're definitely not old.
Nah,
my
I
goodness.
feel old anyway, body-wise, but feels cool to still learn about dirt bikes at this age.
Absolutely. And tell us a little bit about your history in racing then so far.
Well, I currently retired in the U.S., so now I just I raced the Canadian Championship this summer. I won that, and then kind of come over here for exhibition-style racing and just trying to enjoy it. But they take this race a lot more seriously than what I pictured it.
Oh,
so
okay.
yeah, I'm a little bit caught off guard, but it's still enjoyable.
Oh, well, I'm sure you'll do great.
Yeah.
Good luck,
Thank you very
thank
much.
you so much
Appreciate
for your time.
it. Thank you.
So how is Doc Wob's bike, and why Doc Wob?
Why Doc Wob? I think because it's the best one. So you see the bike is a factory bike.
Yes.
He prepared a really good bike, and it's like my bike. So I feel really good, and also the details is beautiful. So perfect.
Absolutely.
Yes.
How was it in the race? Just because you didn't get time to practice on it, right?
Yeah, I just last Thursday.
Yeah, well.
And just a few laps, but I raced also last year with that bike.
Yeah.
So I know, but just keep a little bit feeling for this race.
Yeah.
And I feel good. So not in the race. I just make some mistake.
Okay.
But that is a part of the race.
Absolutely.
So, but the feeling was good.
Absolutely.
That is important.
It is very
Yeah,
important,
yeah.
very important. So what makes Doc Wob special to you?
On the bike, you mean?
On the bike,
Oh.
And as a brand, I guess, as well, the whole event.
Yes, and the bike is makes some different position for me.
Yeah.
And nothing is organize everything.
Yeah.
So Doc is a really good person.
Yeah.
And because you see, he prepared. I don't know how many bikes is in under
Eight,
the tent.
yes.
And it's a big art.
Yeah,
So
this
for
is
that,
really
yes,
well.
Yes.
Oh, well, thank you so much and well done for your race.
Thank
You did really
too.
well. Thank you.
Too. Thank you too.
We are ready to go. Foxhill VMXDN 2025 is go.
We've had a fantastic day here at Foxhill with Doc Wob and his talented team. We've even managed to speak to some brilliant riders, some being world champions. So stay tuned for another episode of Iconic Rides here on Videojug, and don't forget to hit subscribe.